Yes. It's a great view. Great view.
This is the largest bedroom in the house. Oh, wow. In Georgia, somewhere. And again, as I said, when I finished building, I didn't have money for the furniture, so I built this. It's not even a king size. It's a triple bed. A triple twin.
But wow, look at this right here. This is a classic. I haven't seen, wow.
That was from the States.
Yo,
Been there, down
the
in basement.
Hitachi, I remember these.
No, doesn't get used.
You can make about 10 TVs with stuff in this one. That's how we used to do it, family. Before we started getting these little flat things that we throw on it.
I think it's personalized.
That's how we used to do it back in the days.
The containers that the water is
Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a view from outside. There you go. The outside view.
You have solar panels out
I do because I got tired of the electricity going off. In fact, I lost everything in my deep freezer 3 different times. Everything. I am my mother. My mother had a huge deep freezer that she kept filled up all the time. I am my mother. And 3 times the electricity went off when I wasn't here. When I come back, I could smell like something had died in here, which it had. So I just decided I'm gonna get solar. So I have solar, I've got 16 panels and about 32 batteries. And then the other thing I do is I had the solar street lights I had them put on the streets out there 3 times, but nobody helped me to put them up. So when they started falling apart and all of that, and nobody would help me to put any more, I bought them and put them on my property.
That's what you do. That's right.
That's right.
So that's what I did. And then I also bought some that I put out every day. And then every evening when I come in, I just spread them around the house. So there's light on and I don't have to use the solar. Sometimes if it's during the rainy season and we haven't had enough sun, then the solar won't work for a while. So then I'll bring in the solar lights, or I still have ECG, the regular city license, state license, or whatever, country license. And so once in a while, but most of the time, I've got the solar on. And it's really very, very helpful. There's a brother, a Rasta man, that lives right down from me. He made this beautiful furniture, and it's so heavy. And I think I paid like 1,500 Ghana cedis for it.
Whoa.
Yeah, and it's really, really heavy. Very heavy. So, see how sturdy it is? Yeah, very, very heavy. So, like I said, every about 3 years or so, it's time for me to change out the bed and change the covers on it and everything, and put on some new. When you look at it again, it'll look like it's a new set. Okay, this is one of the other beds. I had a problem last year.
More
with,
classic.
We had a real bad storm and wind, and it blew some of the roofing sheets off. So I had to get it changed, and they took down the electrical, the lamps, the lights that were in here, and I just had to put them back up. Don't you open up that door?
That's funny.
That's a closet, right? That's what she remind me of Mama Amicus. You don't play, they get you straight. You keep the house open the door. That's what I said, you come up and you open up the door, see that. Get your feet. Is it raining?
Oh yes, it is raining. So it's gonna be nice and cool. Let it rain, let it rain. Rain and sunshine.
Another bed I made too.
Another bed
I got some cloth,
It's strong.
some upholstery cloth that did the backboard.
Okay, it's time for me to go by.
Oh yeah, so Earna, this is one of the hard beds or soft beds.
This mattress is from the States, if I'm not if I haven't forgotten.
Cause that's what you usually have an option for, right? Like most of the ones in.
I don't like the ones that are here. They are really, really hard.
Look, it depends.
Uh-oh.
If you get it from Milton,
They are.
nice and loose.
But I think, yeah, these are the ones
used to
that I
use.
had on my bed.
From
Malcolm.
Yeah, I'm sleeping.
Malcolm, there you go, family.
Yes.
Malcolm.
So you can get hard, ugly, and soft, whatever at Malcolm, like you used to in the U.S. But otherwise, I was gonna bring my mattresses from the U.S.
Well, maybe some people like hard beds. Maybe it like some, but some people like maybe some people.
Some people do like a hard bed, yeah. I couldn't really carry my back up. But
Yeah, but me, yeah, mine gotta be soft, like
Yeah, medium firm.
Yeah.
You can get firm. Much more, just like what's in the U.S.
no, handled with care.
I like the green. Sorry.
Yes, family, we are upstairs doing the bedroom view at Earna Kassa Palace here in Prampram.
So this for you all the hiding us all. Isn't that mine?
The beautiful ocean.
Out here, but you need to be careful. They have tubes up here, so be careful.
Yeah, big family here, so no problem putting them up.
Every once in a while, I come up here to get a breeze and I sit and I said, okay, I'm gonna lay down for a few